Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. I've got an unboxing today. Another big order just came in, so I'm going to open up the bag and see what we've got. This order came, it's one of my last deliveries from SHEIN, due to the fact that they will not approve my affiliate status. I have affiliated with Amazon, and I'm also now affiliated with AliExpress, but I will not be affiliated with SHEIN anymore. So I will be going over the watches that I have received in this shipment, and I will try and find the equivalent watches that I do find in this package. I will try and find the equivalents over at AliExpress so that I can send you guys a link directly to the watch if you guys want to purchase it. Some of these watches I will be able to find on Amazon if you'd rather purchase from Amazon. Amazon is in my opinion, a very safe way to purchase watches because they're always returnable on Amazon Prime, and you get excellent shipping when you order from AliExpress. It usually takes about 2 weeks for you to get your order. These watches I ordered about 2 weeks ago and I just got them in now, but some of these watches you can actually find on Amazon and get them within a day or two with an excellent return policy. So if there are watches in here that I can find the equivalent to on Amazon, I will post the Amazon links. If not, I will be posting the links to the equivalent watch on AliExpress, but unfortunately I will not be ordering anything more from SHEIN, so this is going to be the last delivery that I do receive from SHEIN until I hear back from them with a solid reason as to why I can be accepted into every other affiliate program, but for some reason SHEIN doesn't want to approve the application, which is kind of strange to me. But anyhow, without further ado, if you do like this content and you want it to keep on coming, please make sure you give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches. And I just wanted to shout out to my current subscribers and say thank you guys so much. I'm over 270 subscribers now. So I really do appreciate that. And at the end of the month, if I have 1,000 subscribers, I'm actually going to be giving away a watch. So stay tuned to see how you can win one of these watches right here. It is the Rolex Submariner Homage from Olev's. Very nice watch. Let's stay tuned to see what you can do, how you can enter to win that watch. I will be posting that at the end of this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into this package and see what we have here. What did I order? I have no recollection of what I placed this order for. I don't know what's in the bag. I don't know what I ordered, and I don't know if any of it's any good. But like I said before, I review budget-friendly watches, so I go through the junk to try and find you guys the good stuff. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 watches. 9 watches in this haul, and I'm going to have to split them up. So let's see here. I'm going to split them up because I can't really review them all. I have no idea what I've ordered. So let's do these. Let's do these 4 for the first video, and then I'll do a part 2. So it looks like we've got a Pin Time, a Denvasi, a something, and a something. So, all right, let's see which ones you guys want to see first. I've got 4 here. I'm curious about the Denvasi because I've received a few good Denvasis, and I don't know if this one's going to be a good one or not. So let's try this one out. Denvasi. Denvasi. So this looks like it's not even the same brand. That's Denvasi. Doesn't that say Denvasi? I don't know. I have had instances where I have received fake low budget watches, so this would not be the first. Let's see what we've got here. Oh wow, this thing's junk. Okay, first impressions. It's kind of light. I didn't know it was going to be all rubber. It's a rubber watch. I don't know. It's kind of got me on the fence here, guys. Let's see here. What time is it? 3:53. Let's get the date going here. It's the 24th. I mean, it's not bad. It's very light. More of a sports watch. It's kind of like a dressy sports watch, which kind of throws me off a little bit. I thought it was going to be a different material. But I mean, overall, it looks like it's probably a comfortable watch, but it's kind of crazy. It's kind of like a luxury watch that looks like a sports watch. So I don't know. We'll have to do an in-depth review on that one later. So that was the first one. That's a Denvasi. And let's see what we've got here in the next box. Don't know what this is. Okay, this is another Denvasi. I must have gotten a couple of them. Now, this is first impression. It's genuine leather strap. I'm gonna have to say this one's pretty decent, guys. This one's pretty decent. 354. And the date. Yeah, I mean, I have to say this one's pretty decent. I kind of like it. Let's get this off and try it on. I think the blue strap, the blue leather strap, kind of makes it look cool. It's got a nice look to it. It's a nice casual looking watch. Something you could wear with jeans and a t-shirt. Wouldn't look too bad. Actually, you could probably wear this with a nice dress shirt too. It's a nice looking watch. Case is solid on it. It's really nice. Yeah, I'd have to say this one's a go. It's a nice looking watch. So we got two Denvasis here. And both of them seem to be halfway decent. I'm pretty impressed with this brand. I just don't know why the name on the box looks different than the name on the actual product. It's Denvasi and then it's Denvosi. I don't know. Either way, it's a halfway decent watch. Let's take a look at what we've got in here. This one seems a little bit more solid. Let's see. Okay, it's got a pretty decent box. I mean, it's nothing special, but it's kind of, you know, at least they went out of their way to do something halfway decent with the box. It's got a cleaning, polishing cloth. It's got the the instruction manual, resizing tool. Which brand is it? It's actually got an extra battery, guys. Comes with an extra battery. Let's see what we've got here. This is a Podegere. It's got the butterfly clasp. Obviously, it's all covered in plastic, guys. Let's see here. Yeah, it's all covered in plastic. It's got the that's actually a pretty nice watch. I think I like this one. I do like that it's the same band that they've got on this bin bond. I like that. I've always liked this band, but I like the shape of the face on the case and the face on this. Looks really nice. It's got some good heft to it. It's not a light watch. It's definitely something that's got some weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It looks like it's got solid stainless links on it. I don't know. On the bracelet looks nice. Let's get this thing open. Yeah, it's a really nice, solid looking watch. It's got the milled clasp. Yeah, they definitely wrap these things up nice and tight. So let's set the date and time on it. 21, 22, 24. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There we go. Oh, I think this one's a good one. I like this one. I'll wear this one definitely. Nice looking watch. Really sharp, classy, good quality, solid. Podegere. I'm sure it's got the stainless steel, water resistant. Yeah. This is in the middle. It says "Keep up with global fashion." That's funny. Oh boy, they just print whatever they want on these things, and they don't even care what it says. Keep up with global fashion. Be sure to drink your Ovaltine. Like whatever. I mean, they'll just put whatever on there. Anyhow, so that's a nice one. I mean, aside from that goofy saying in the middle of it that says "Keep up with global fashion," I think it's a really nice quality watch. So it looks like we got 3 halfway decent watches here today. Let's see here. And I like the fact that it comes with its own tool, even though I already have a professional one. It's always nice to get one that does have a tool, and the extra battery, that's kind of a nice touch. Either that's a nice touch or that's an omen. But either way, it was nice of them to send an extra battery. So, and the cleaning cloth, which is also nice. I can always use these. So that's a good one. That's a good watch. And the fourth one, we've ordered some pin times before here, I believe. This is a pin time. Very nice Richard Mille Homage pin time watch. So got another pin time here. So let's see what we've got now. Okay, box is a little bit damaged, but hopefully the watch is okay. And okay, yeah, it comes on a pillow, watch pillow. So we'll just throw this over here for now, since I'm having an issue with this watch staying still. And okay. Oh, what's this supposed to be an homage to? Not a Tissot. This was something else. Can't remember. But I don't know. I really like this one. This is a good watch. Nice and solid. Oh yeah, definitely. I'll definitely wear that. It's a nice watch. Let's see here, 404. Let's get this right here. And 24. Very nice. Yeah, I definitely like this one. I'll definitely wear that. It's a good, sharp looking watch. Nice and classy looking. Really nice watch. I can't remember what that's supposed to resemble, but if you guys do know, post that in the comment section below. That'll help out a lot. That way I'll know what to call it when I refer to it. But I do think I've seen this in its counterpart. I do remember seeing this as its original watch, not the homage. I just can't remember what the brand is. So if any of you guys know what that's supposed to look like, let me know in the description below. But anyhow, that's the first half of the haul here. I've got this Protégé, a Denvasi, another Denvasi, and this Pin Time. So 4 very nice watches. I would definitely recommend all 4 of these watches. I think I got a good hit on this haul here. So thankfully not a lot of junk this time. I do have 4 more watches to go, or 5 more watches to go over in this haul. So stay tuned, and I will be posting the part 2 for this video. And right now I'm just gonna shoot on over to that instruction, so the instructions, so you can find out how you can win one of these Rolex Submariner homage watches from Olev's. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next watch review video. But right now, this is what you need to do to win one of these watches. And until the next video, I am Dave the Watchman, and I am out of here.